Hello friends, today I am going to show you how can you write equation in a Word file in a three different way. First method is simple, in which if you have a simple equation, you can write it manually. For example, you can write a to the power 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power 2 is equals to bracket a plus b bracket close the power 2, and you can convert this equation in a very simple way. You have to go to here and insert, click on here on equation, and then go to convert, click on convert professional. It will convert your equation like this, and you can increase the font a little bit to make it more clear. But the equation is complex, and there are few things in a subscript and superscript, in a bracket or in a fraction. How can you handle this? So the method is simple. Go and insert, press this equation button. You will see there are so many things. For example, the symbol and the structure, you will use these two options mainly. So the first is there's an alphabet, and there's another alphabet in a subscript. So you can go here in script and write, select second option subscript, and you can write in the box y subscript k, and then you can insert this option is equals to, and to solve this equation start from the center, because in the center is e superscript 2k pi iota. You have to write this first. So go in here in subscript and superscript, select this option, in the box write e, and then write this 2k, and for the pi there's an option, select the symbol pi iota, and then you see there's a bracket, and in the over the bracket there is a fraction. So first I have to insert the bracket. I will go in here and insert the bracket, and then I have to insert the fraction part in a power or in a superscript. So I will go in here and select this option. It will give me to write something here, but here the things are in fraction. So I will go in here and select this option, and then it will allow me to write here the numeric value in fraction. And I am going to let me increase the size so it will be easy for me to write something in a bracket. Okay, then select the box and write here 7. So these are the two ways. Utilizing these ways you can write the equation. But if you cannot write the equation, it will be difficult for you. So there's one more option in the Word. You can write the equation manually and make it in this form. For example, what you have to do, go here, insert the button equation, and you see here there's an option in a tool tab. There's an option link equation. Press on. It will allow you to write an equation manually. For example, I have to write this equation: a square plus 2ab b square is equals to a plus b. So if you have a touch screen or the touch pen, it will be easy for you. I am using mouse, so bear with me. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to bracket a square a plus b square. This is how you can insert the equation as well manually. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.